Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by enabling the feature now. You must be on Mac OS 14. 4 or later and signed into your Apple ID with two-factor authentication, otherwise features won't run. Open System Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Apple Intelligence, and toggle the capabilities you want. Once done, grant access to Mail, Messages, Notes, and Spotlight indexing so the system can surface contextual suggestions. Make sure you review permission, prompts. This is the foundation that lets Apple Intelligence analyze your on-device data. Now use Apple Intelligence inside your apps. In Mail or Notes, click the suggestion chips or press Command +K to get summaries, rewrite options, or subject lines. In Safari, use it to distill long pages. You'll see inline suggestions, accept, edit, or reject them, because the system learns from your choices. Make sure to adjust per app settings if you want more or less assistance, and enable on-device processing for privacy. Once you practice these steps a few times, workflow gains become obvious and consistent. Finish by refining any generated output. Always read and edit for accuracy and voice before you send. If suggestions stop appearing, reopen System Settings and verify Apple Intelligence permissions or sign out and back into your Apple ID. That often resolves sync glitches. If search or context is missing, rebuild the Spotlight index using the command sudo mdoodle / in terminal, then restart apps. Keep this troubleshooting tip handy. Reindexing and permission resets address most issues quickly, letting you rely on Apple Intelligence again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.